Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both host and guest for GPU pass-through. Install the latest Virtualbox and its extension pack on your host. This provides USB and device support. Once done, reboot and enable VTX or AMD and IMU in BIOS. Those allow device assignment. Then create the VM and give it enough resources, at least 8 GB of RAM, several CPU cores, and sufficient disk space. This reduces bottlenecks when the GPU is active. Next, unbind the GPU from the host and attach it to the VM using VBox Manage. You will run commands to identify the PCI ID, unbind the driver, then pass the device via PCI pass-through or VBox PSI. Make sure to configure paravirtualization and guest settings for direct device use, and disable host I/O cache for that bus to avoid corruption. Also create a small startup script to rebind the GPU drivers at boot, so the host, and finally, power the VM and install the appropriate GPU drivers and Virtualbox guest editions inside the guest. This enables acceleration and optimized I/O. Verify the GPU shows up via LSBCI on Linux guests or Device Manager on Windows. If the guest fails to boot, black screens, or performance is poor, try resetting BIOS/firmware pass-through settings, change power/reset options, or roll back the driver. Often the issue is driver mismatch or resource conflict, so adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.